So how did I go from making $12,000 a year working in construction, selling newspapers at traffic lights, to now helping companies and organizations get to $1 million in sales for the very first time? How did I do that? Very, very, very difficult to put in a video, but we can all sum it up in two things. The first one is I learned to lead myself. I learned to understand my own psychology and understand what triggers me and what doesn't trigger me in order to create results. I learned how to lead myself. And then I also learned how to lead others, how to get people to work together. Those two skills will give you more income, more peace of mind, and more security than anything else in your life. Because anything you do requires people. And wherever you go, you're gonna be there. So, if you're looking to transform your income and transform your life and transform the quality of your relationships, you've got to start understanding this whole concept of leadership for yourself and for others. So after 10 years of helping organizations and people from all over the world achieve miracles for many, I have created a leadership course that will transform your life if you allow it. The testimonials are unbelievable. So don't think about it. Click below, learn more about it, and register. Only limited seating and only a few left. Bye-bye.